Hi Shikhar Paji, well played tonight. Virat just said that your body language was great when you were not playing. Was there anything that you worked during that phase, and how did you ensure that you stay in the right state of mind?
हाय क्या नाम है? विवेश
विशेष
विशेष हाय विशेष जी. Yep, I kept myself quite positive when I wasn't playing in T20 series. I was focusing on my process and doing my fitness, skill work, or gym work, and mental space wise मैं अपने आप को हमेशा पॉजिटिव रखता हूँ, हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा ढूंढता हूँ सिचुएशन से. So that's what I was doing, and I was working on my batting, and I knew that if I get an opportunity, I'll take it. Yeah.
अमोल कराडकर.
अभी ये जो नए लड़के आ हम हिसाब से सब लोग अलग अलग लेवल पे रगड़ रहे हैं, तो वो जो कॉन्फिडेंस और फियरलेसनेस लाते हैं वो कहाँ से लाते हैं मतलब?
जो नए लड़के आ रहे हैं हमारे सारे, बड़ा अच्छा लगता है कि वो इतने कॉन्फिडेंट है, क्योंकि अब वो डोमेस्टिक भी इतनी खेलते हैं और फिर आईपीएल खेलते हैं. आईपीएल में स्पेशली इतने सारे बड़े प्लेयर्स के साथ ड्रेसिंग रूम शेयर करना है, उनके अगेंस्ट मैच खेलना, तो उससे बड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ट होता है कि उन्हें लगता है कि भाई वहाँ पे अगर हम उस प्लेयर के अगेंस्ट कर सकते हैं तो इंटरनेशनल में क्यों नहीं. इंटरनेशनल में भी तो सेम प्लेयर्स हैं, या जो कोचेस भी होते हैं बड़े लेवल के कोचेस हैं सारे वहाँ पे. तो जो वो आईपीएल का एक्सपोजर है उससे काफ़ी फ़र्क पड़ता है, और ऑफ कोर्स हमारा डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, तो उन दोनों का अच्छा मिक्स है, जिस वजह से जो भी हमारे जब भी नए प्लेयर आ रहे हैं वो इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, तो हमारे को जो ट्रांजिशन कभी होता भी है टीम का तो महसूस नहीं होता.
वेंकट कृष्णा.
Shikhar, you've played in Police for over a decade now. There have been talks of how being played out from the ball, and on the other hand, you have
No, Venkat, repeat your question, please.
Power play and then go full bang with the toes end.
I didn't got your question. Can you repeat it, please?
Yes, please, yeah. So basically, you've played ODIs for long enough, for more than a decade. From the time you started playing to now, there is a huge change in how teams play the ODIs. For instance, England go back from the board, go. India, on the other hand, like to keep wickets and go back towards the end.
Yep.
So where do you think the game stands right now in terms of building?
It totally depends on the wicket. What wicket is offering on that particular day. Like today, it was seaming and swinging, so it wouldn't have made any sense if we would have gone hard at start and lose few wickets. So our plan was that to just stay on the wicket and respect the good deliveries, and we knew that. Both of us, Rohit and me, or all of the players, that we knew that we can always catch those runs later on. And yeah, if wicket would have been a bit more, I would say, supportive for the batsman, then for sure we would have attacked more. But today it wasn't needed, so we didn't do it. And even that also, at the end, we scored such a big total. Yeah.
Anshul Gupta.
Hey Shikhar, well played. Just wanted to know, was there any pressure on you coming into the ODI series, given not playing in the T20Is, and did you do anything differently or just you wanted to play your national game?
On an international cricket, pressure is always there, and good thing is, as an experienced player, I know how to handle pressure nicely. And secondly, as I said, that because I'm an experienced player now, so I know like what shots to play on what certain wickets, and we read the wicket quite nicely and communicate very nicely in the batting unit or in the team. And yeah, and that's what we did, and that worked for us. And of course, once I got set, I knew that I have lots of shots that I can get my runs quickly as well.
Nikhil Bapat. Yeah, Shikhar, well played, well played. I want to just ask you, but Prasidh Krishna and Shardul Thakur, how important also was their spell considering that their show was going guns blazing. So how would you rate their contribution in the match apart from the innings?
Of course, it was a great team effort, and especially Prasidh, the pace he was bowling, the bounce he was getting, he was rushing the batsman. That was great to see. And at the same time, and especially on his first match, as a debutant, everyone feels the pressure, and even Krunal Pandya did really well as a debutant, and with Shardul, I feel that Shardul confidence has gone quite up, and he's a very smart cricketer. He reads the game quite well, and his control on his bowling has got so much better. He always getting that breakthrough which we need at the right time, with his skill and his smartness, and backing up with his confidence. So I feel that he's in a great zone, and he's enjoying his cricket, and very happy to see that our fast bowlers are getting us the breakthrough. So it feels great.
We'll take two more questions. Amitabh Mukherjee and then Sunandan Lele.
Hi, this is Amitabh from Quickview. Hi, Shikhar. Well done on your 98 today. Wonderful innings. I want to ask about KL Rahul. He had a bit of struggle lately in T20s, and also today, initially he was not timing it all that well, but he started to time the ball better. How do you look at his format right now?
It was great to see KL scoring that half century and getting his shots. We all love watching him play. He's a class player, and few innings here or there, it happens with every cricketer, and it only makes a champion player much more stronger. And I'm sure he's a much more stronger player, and it's part of the journey. So जो एक तगड़ा प्लेयर होता है वो हमेशा तगड़ा प्लेयर रहता है. उसे पता है कि एक फेज होता है, वो निकल जाएगा, उसके बाद वापस द वे ही केम बैक टुडे, एंड इन द एंड him and Krunal took us to above 300 runs, so it was great to watch, and I'm sure this knock would have brought a lot of confidence to KL, and you will see him playing more fluently and getting those beautiful shots on the field.
Thank you.
Final question, Sunandan Lele.
इधर बढ़िया बैटिंग की यार. मैं पूछना चाहता हूं कि ये जो विकेट बाहर से दिखता है कि भाई बैटिंग के लिए अच्छा है, लेकिन शुरुआत में जो उन लोगों ने बॉलिंग करी, बॉल भी कैरी हो रहा था, बाउंस भी था, तो अपने आप को ये समझाना कि भाई रुक जाओ, बहुत टाइम है. ये बहुत दिनों के खेलने के बाद ये कितना आसान होता है, कितना मुश्किल.
बिल्कुल नंदन जी, हाथी के दिखाने के दांत और खाने के दांत अलग होते हैं. और क्या कहते हैं, मुश्किल अगर सोचेंगे तो मुश्किल है, नहीं सोचेंगे तो नहीं मुश्किल है. इतने सालों से हम खेल रहे हैं, तो जो एक मेंटल स्विच होता है, बैट्समैन को पता होता है कि क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, किस विकेट पे. तो अब रोहित इतना एक्सपीरियंस है और मैं भी एक्सपीरियंस हूँ, तो हमारे को पता था कि हमारा प्लान क्या है आज का. जैसे हमने स्पेंड किया, 2-3 ओवर खेला, तो हमें पता लग गया था कि बॉल स्विंग कर रहा है, या तो वहाँ से दूर से खेली हुई शॉट्स नहीं लग सकती थी इतना. तो इवन जब 10 ओवर में 35 या 40 रन थे, तो अपने को कोई ऐसा प्रेशर नहीं था. हमारे लिए था कि विकेट साथ में होंगी तो हम बाद में बना देंगे, और वैसा ही हुआ. और आई फील कि वो एक्सपीरियंस के साथ काफ़ी स्मूथली आ जाता है. और आई एम श्योर कि हमारे यंगस्टर भी इतने अच्छे हैं कि वो ऐसा लगता है कि वो सब कुछ सीख के ही आए हुए हैं, और बड़ी खुशी मिलती है कि इतना अच्छा आगे कर रहे हैं. इवन जैसे आज कुणाल ने जो हाफ सेंचुरी मारी है, जिस तरीके से वो पुल शॉट्स, फ्लिक के छक्का मारा, वो सारा किया, बहुत मज़ा आया देखिए. ऐसा नहीं लगा कि भी पहला मैच था उसका भी.
Thank you.